Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one more lab for the DHCP server. As per our student request, we are going to use some more extra comments here in this one. So first of all, we will do the DHCP server. You can take this server or you can take router as a server. That is up to you which one you want to use. You can use. This is a simple scenario where you have only single VLAN. This is a very small basic company. New company started with the very few limited hardware. Okay, this is a scenario of this company. You have one DHCP server and you have some computer. We can say maybe this company is having 5 to 6 computer. All are connected to one switch. All guys are working, and this is a very small company. In this company we have the DHCP server. So we are going to learn how we can configure the DHCP server. And also, as per our student request, they are requesting us to show the DHCP release and renew command. So we are going to show that one also, because sometime you are getting the IP in your laptop or desktop which is giving the incorrect IP, or maybe the IP conflict is going on, same IP assigned to you and the other guy. To overcome that type of issue, we are using the DHCP release and renew commands to release the IP to get the new IP. We are going to teach you now. So first of all, what is our plan here? Our plan will be, we are going to assign this IP 192.168.1.1 here, or if you want I can say 1.2 to the DHCP server. In the real scenario, you can imagine your company is having one router like this and you have the internet connection. So I will connect here. You can see this is the company. Okay, and this one will connect here. This way you will have the setup in the real company, but now we are focusing in the DHCP server. So mostly we will do that one. If you need, you can write in the comments. So I will continue this lab later. Okay, so this is the IP here, and this one we can say this is our company router. I am planning to give this IP here, and this is our ISP router. We can say this is a internet service provider router who is going to give us the internet. You can say STC, Mobile, Zain, anything. If you are in the Saudi or if you are in India, you can say like Airtel, Tata, Jio or BSNL. Okay, that is ISP who is going to give the internet. So this part now we are focusing where? This part we are not focusing. If you need this part also, just write the comments in the video that you need this part. So we will continue this one. Now which one we are focusing? We are focusing here DHCP server. Okay, so first of all I need to go to the DHCP server here, and here I need to assign the IP. So what IP I am going to assign? 192.168.1.2, whatever we plan. Okay, and the gateway I will give 192.168.1.1. This will be the gateway, that is the router interface IP. So here I will write this is my gateway. I will write here 192.168.1.1. this is our gateway. What else we have here? DHCP server we need to configure. So go to the services, click DHCP server, and this server is off, you need to on. And if you see, this is IP schema what we plan to give to our computer 192.168.1. So I will say start the IP giving from 1.10, and the gateway, that is our interface which is connecting to the router, that is router interface IP is 1.1, and currently we are not using DNS, and also we are not using the WLC controller. If you need this DNS server and the what we can say WLC controller, write in the comments. So we will make one more video. Okay, so I will save this one. So DHCP server is configured here. After that, simple, just go to the computer, click the desktop and click the IP and click the DHCP and wait here. You are going to get the IP from the DHCP server. If you see here, you get the IP 192.168.1.10, 255.255.255.0 and 192.168.1.1. You get the IP from the DHCP server. If you want to release this IP and renew, you can do this way. First of all, you will write IP config to check the what IP address you get. If you see, you get this IP and this is a gateway. If you want to release this IP, means you want to release this and then get the like you want to renew. If you are facing some issue with this IP, maybe you will have the IP conflict, so you want to release. So what you will do, IP config, then put / and after that you will write release and press enter. Now you can see when you put release, before you have this, right? Before fast Ethernet 0x0 default port is having some IP here. But now when I write this IP config release, everything is released here. Now you have 0. After that, what we will do, we will write here renew, 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 and press enter. You will get new one. It is renew. Before, what IP you have? You have this one, 192.168.1.10. After renew, you get the different IP, 192.168.1.11. Or any confusion here? See here, you have 192.168.1.10 here, and here you get 192.168.1.11 after renew. So these are the comments we are writing. Like one of our student is requesting for this comment, so I wrote here IP config, give space, and this slash release to release the IP, whatever IP you have here. So we release this all. So nothing is present here. After that, we will write same thing, IP config, give space, slash renew, and you can see here it is renew. Now you get that IP. Clear, right? Or any confusion? If you are facing any confusion, like our Facebook page and put the comments there. We are going to explain you there also, and you can join our Telegram channel also. We are sharing this topology in our Telegram channel, or in the YouTube video comments also you can put. We are going to reply there also. Okay. And what I am saying here, like let me show you. We can take this one. This is a wireless, so this is a controller. I can take like this controller. I can take this lightweight access point. Okay, and I can connect this lightweight access point to the switch, and I can connect this what we can say the controller here, and this wireless access point is not having the power over Ethernet feature is not supporting to this wireless access point. But in real scenario, when you connect your Ethernet cable, automatically this access point will be power up. But here in the packet tracer you need to connect like this. Okay, and after that what you need to do in the controller, you can configure some IP here. Already you have 1.1 we assigned to the what we can say this is our gateway. 1.1 we use there, and 1.2 we use here. So here we can give 1.3. So I can say we can use 1.3 here, and the subnet mask will be 0.255.255.0, and the gateway as we told 192.168.1.1. This will be the gateway. We don't have the DNS. So this is a WLC controller. And I can say I am the network engineer. This is my laptop. I will connect my laptop to the switch. I am going to get the IP from the DHCP server, and I am going to configure this. What I am going to configure this controller. If you see this WLC controller is here, and this one is the access point. If I keep the mouse on the access point, still access point did not get any IP address. Okay, because controller did not push any configuration. First, access point is going to get the IP from the DHCP server. After that, they will have the cap web tunnel between the access point and the controller. We are using the lightweight access point because this lightweight access point is going to get the configuration from the controller. Controller is going to control this lightweight access point. Okay, and this is the network engineer who is going to get the IP from the DHCP server, and he is going to configure the controller. If you see, this is IP you get from the DHCP server. Now you can go to the browser and you can click the browser and you can type here. You can type here whatever the controller IP you give, like 192.168.1.3, and press enter. You need to wait for some time, and if you see data is going here, so this is blinking. If you see here blinking, data is going, so you need to wait for some time. After that you will have the controller dashboard, WLC controller dashboard. Okay, so if you want me to continue this lab, write in the comments, so I will continue this lab. So here what I need to show, mostly I need to show only this one, like how the computer is getting the IP, and what we need to write the command here, this one, release and renew. This is the most focused thing here in this lab. But if you need this controller configuration, you need how to go connect to the ISP, just write in the comments, so we are going to show you that. And see here, controller login panel came here. So just write in the comments, so we are going to continue that one. Let me stop this recording. Okay.